Greeting students, welcome to my class. How are you my dear students? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope the same for your family members. Students, we have started the topic tenses, and so far you people have taken 2 classes. I have told you about the basic concept of tenses, what is how the time is categorized, and how the action which take place in that time categorized in indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now I am sure that you people have no doubt about tenses कि tense क्या होते हैं, क्या बताते हैं. Simply tenses tell us about the time when an action take place, and that action and time is categorized into 3 parts. You cannot categorize it more part: present, past and future. And work which takes place, or action which takes place in that time, the tenses also tell us about the time of that action and degree of that completion of that work or action or verb, you can say. Or in simple words you can say form of verb which tell us about that action takes place in which time and degree of completion of that work. According to the degree of completion of that work is divided into 4 parts. That work is complete or not, that work come in indefinite category, and if it is in present, if that work is taking place in present time, so that tense will be in present indefinite, because the work is indefinite, it is complete or not. And if that work work is going on in present time, so that work comes into the continuous category, so that tense will be present continuous. And if that work is completed, I have written, I have written, I have played, you have played, he has played, you have watched the video, I have taught you. So present time and work is completed, so that work comes in perfect category, so that tense will be present perfect tense. And if that work started few times ago, some times ago, and still going on, so that tense will be present perfect continuous tense. So work is divided into 4 parts, time is divided into present, past and future. According to that, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So same past and same with future. I hope, and I have told you how to identify, how to recognize the tenses with the help of helping verb and main verb. And I told you that in present tense, main verbs first form, that will be indefinite. Wherever you will find main verbs first form, that will be indefinite tense, except verb second form. Okay, and except the past tense, where in indefinite, past indefinites, you will find verb second form, not the first form. So wherever other than that is an exception. वो exception होता है, अपवाद होता है, तो उसको हमें मानना पड़ेगा. और उसके अलावा in present tense and future tense, wherever you find the first form, right, as I told you in the previous class, that will be in indefinite category. And with the verbs, main verbs first form, if you are finding ing, right, main verb first form plus ing is there, doing, right? So do plus ing, doing हो गया, that is doing. So this will be in continuous category, that work will be in continuous category, right my dear student. With the help of, if it is was doing, if what I am trying to say my dear students, in present main verb first form, if you find, either it will be like this, or main verb first form plus ses, it will be time is present, and with helping verb you will come to know. For example, I go, he goes. ठीक है, कंटिन्यूस कैसे पता चलेगा हमें, वेयर वी विल राइट आई एम गोइंग, एम आ गया, उसके बाद आई एन जी लगा हुआ है, एम टेल अस अबाउट द टाइम, एंड हियर आई एन जी मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म है गो प्लस आई एन जी, तो इट इज़ प्रेजेंट टाइम एंड इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस, तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. आई हैव गॉन, आई हैव गॉन, सो आई सब्जेक्ट है, हैव हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, हमें पता है हैव प्रेजेंट में टाइम में को शो करता है, टाइम पता चल गया. दिस वर्क इज थर्ड फॉर्म. आई हैव टोल्ड यू मेन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. हाउ यू विल understand that this is second or because go went gone होता है, तो there is no confusion in that. This is third form of go. So this is time present and this is perfect. Work is coming in perfect category, so perfect present perfect. Same. But in past, my dear student, in past we will talk about indefinite. So there this is an exception. Main verb second form comes. I go था, it will come I went. मैं गया था. So this is present indefinite. I was going. With was, because यहाँ पे was है तो ये past tense है, past time है, and going है, go plus ing, main verb plus first form plus ing. So ये continuous हो गया, तो this is past continuous. Same ऐसे ही हम करेंगे. I had है तो past time है plus verb third form gone, main verb third form. तो I had gone, मैं जा चुका था, तो ये हो गया past perfect tense. So same with the future tense, my dear students. So this is what you have understood now. I have told you, and now my dear students, I am going to make a table, so that table will also help you. I want you to note it down, that table, table of tenses 1. This is table 1, where active voice में we speak the most sentences. In normal English we speak in active voice, so it will help you. My dear students, I want you to make the table. So tense we will write, then we will write here we will write tense, there we will write category of tenses, like according to the work action is going on, complete or not, indefinite, okay my dear students. Okay, so indefinite, continuous, perfect, and you will write perfect continuous. So there are 4. I have told you that how tenses will tell you about the time. So time will be, we have categorized in 3 part only: present tense, past tense, and my dear student, future tense. So my dear students, abhi tense tell us about the time, present, past and future, and categorize work और action is categorized indefinite, continuous and perfect, perfect continuous. So 4 part हो गए हैं. present tense के भी 4 part, past के भी 4 part and future के भी. हम simple indefinite tense, suppose you say I write, or you can say simple we can write I play chess. मैं चेस खेलता हूँ, राइट. वर्क इज कंप्लीट और नॉट वी डोंट नो. सो इनडेफिनिट है, दिस विल कम इन इंडेफिनिट. आई कंटिन्यूस में कैसे होगा वर्क? आई एम प्लेइंग चेस, राइट. एम हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स telling us about the present time and verb first form, main verb first form plus ing. ये हमें ये बता रहा है कि ये main verb plus first form ing है, तो continuous में, तो ये present continuous हो गया. इससे आपको help हो जाएगी what I have told you in the previous 2 classes. And now I have played chess. वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड है, मैं चेस खेल चुका हूँ, राइट. द वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड, तो कंप्लीटेड है, परफेक्ट में है. एंड हैव इज सेइंग टेलिंग अस अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस और प्रेजेंट टाइम, सो इट विल कम इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कैटेगरी. आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग chess for 2 hours. Since for concept I will make you clear also. Since भाई for 2 hours, right? मैं for 2 घंटे से खेल रहा हूँ, right? For 2 hours. And since morning, since we use since and for का concept I'll tell you later. अभी ध्यान देंगे हम यहाँ पर Now we come in past tense. As I told you that in present indefinite you will find the main verb first form. और यहाँ ही होता तो he plays chess हो जाता, he plays SES हो जाता chess, right my dear students, he plays chess. सिंग थर्ड फॉर्म है, थर्ड पर्सन है तो verb फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस SES होता है, you all know that. and I के साथ हमें play ही लिखना है क्योंकि I सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट में है या प्लूरल में हमें नहीं पता, मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं आई मीन्स मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन, तो मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ हम मेन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही लगाते हैं. आई गो, आई प्ले, आई ईट, आई स्लीप, आई आई स्पिट और आई राइट, आई टीच, वट एवर फर्स्ट फॉर्म में आएगी. थर्ड पर्सन यू के साथ सेकेंड पर्सन है तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म यू प्ले, यू ईट, यू वॉच, यू लिसन, यू लर्न, यू गो, यू कम, वट एवर है ना. एंड थर्ड पर्सन के साथ SES लगा देते हैं. इनडेफिनेट में ING लगा, ही इज़ हो जाएगा, शी इज़, यू आर, दे आर, वी आर, ही हैज़. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टाइम ऑफ टेंस, आई सेकेंड फॉर्म रोट इज द I played chess. Second form in indefinite form. This is exception. I told you in previous video that in verb, in this video also that in second form comes. Otherwise, first form in indefinite always verb first form or S or yes, but in this is exception in past tense, and it only in past tense, in indefinite past indefinite where the work is not sure it is complete or not, second form of verb will come only in past tense. So that is very easy, बहुत आसान है हमारे लिए कि सिर्फ past tense में ही second form यूज़ होती है. और ज़्यादातर वी टॉक अबाउट पास्ट टेंस. हम कहीं जाते हैं, कहीं घूम के आते हैं, हम अपने दोस्त को बताते हैं, हम स्कूल में अपने दोस्तों से मिलते हैं, हम बताते हैं उनको, वी टेल देम दैट येस्टरडे दिस हैपेंड, आई वेंट देयर, आई आस्क्ड फ्रॉम माई मदर दैट गिव मी फूड, माई मदर गेव मी फूड एंड द फूड वॉज वेरी डिलीशियस एंड माई मदर कुकड मेड 2 स्वीट डिशेज, माई मदर मेड वेरी डिलीशियस फूड येस्टरडे. तो वट एवर यू टेल, मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट प्रेजेंट और पास्ट में ही हम बात करते हैं. तो पास्ट वेरी ईजी टू टॉक, वेरी इजी टू टेल, सेकेंड फॉर्म ही आती है. और कंटिन्यूस तो वर्क हेल्पिंग वर्ब वॉज है, टाइम इज पास्ट, एंड प्लेइंग प्ले मेन वर्ब प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड ING, तो इट हैज़ बिकम कंटिन्यूस. तो आई वॉज प्लेइंग चेस, इट इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. आई हैड, देयर इज नो कन्फ्यूजन ऑफ सिंगुलर, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन in past perfect tense my dear student, because there we use had with subject can be anything, चाहे subject first person हो मैं, second person हो तुम, हम third person हो they, we, he, she, it, name, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, वहाँ पर हमें had यूज़ करना है. तो past tense is easy to make sentences, to form sentences in past tense is easy my dear students. I went there, I played football 2 hours ago, yesterday I went to my uncle's house, I had played, when he came I had played, जब वो आया मैं खेल चुका था. I had been playing chess, I had been playing chess for 2 hours, for 2 hours. So this is past tense my dear students. Now we talk about future tense. तो I shall play chess, मैं चेस खेलूँगा, I shall play chess. Here you can see first form, main verb first form is coming. Shall बता रहा helping verb है, हमें पता चल गया. Shall telling us about the future time. So action, future time, action is play, main verb first form, तो हमें पता है indefinite है. So that's why work comes into indefinite category, and shall tell us about the future time. So this tense has become future indefinite tense. I have written future tense here, and the category is indefinite, future indefinite tense. I hope you have understood this thing very well. तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ चुका है आपको सबको. I hope so, and I hope you are paying attention here also. So whatever you have doubt, shall हमें helping verbs बता रहे हैं, यहाँ पे helping verb नहीं है, main verb second form आ गई है, तो ये past indefinite है, simple. यहाँ पे main verb first form, because I के साथ first form है, you के साथ first form है, मैं first person second person, I singular plural का concept ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे हम आते हैं future tense में. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे I shall be playing chess. shall again is telling us about the future time and यहाँ पे main verb plus first form main verb की first form plus ing है, तो it is future continuous tense. I shall have played, I shall have played, तो ये हमारा फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस हो गया. यहाँ पे फ्यूचर मैं खेल चुका होऊंगा, आई शैल हैव प्लेड चेस, खेल चुका होऊंगा. फ्यूचर में टॉक अबाउट, तो ये फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस हो गया. फ्यूचर टाइम रेफरेंस भी कह सकते हैं, जो डिबेट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, फ्यूचर होता है नहीं होता है. तो फ्यूचर टाइम में वो काम पूरा हो चुका होगा, टाइम को रेफरेंस रिप्रेजेंट करता है. आई शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग, मैं 2 घंटे से चेस खेल रहा हूँगा. आई शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग चेस फॉर 2 hours. यही तो, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स in the previous 2 classes. Now table 1 is making your doubts more and more clear, because now you will have no doubt, my dear students. Why you will have any doubt now? See, tenses tell us about the time and the work plus degree of completion of that that work or that action or that event. हमें यही तो बताते हैं ना कि वो कार्य किस समय में हुआ और वो कितना हुआ, पूरा था, हुआ नहीं, चल रहा था, ख़त्म हो गया था या ख़त्म हो चुका है, वॉटेवर. सो हमने उसी हिसाब से मैंने आपको बताया था कि टाइम का पता चल जाएगा विद हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड एस से. प्लस हमें कैटेगरी ऑफ वर्क डिवाइड हुई थी. क्यों 4 पार्ट होते हैं टेंसेस के? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, प्रेजेंट पर कंटिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. बिकॉज वी डिवाइड कैटेगराइज द वर्क degree of completion of that work tell us about that work is complete or not. It is not sure, we don't know, मिडिल में ही है या ख़त्म हो गया या चल रहा है या नहीं, ख़त्म हो चुका नहीं, वर्क इज़ कंप्लीट और नॉट, तो वो इंडेफिनेट है, श्योर नहीं है, तो वो इंडेफिनेट कैटेगरी में वर्क आ जाता है. वेयर द वर्क इज़ गोइंग ऑन, वो कंटिन्यूस कैटेगरी में जाता है. वेयर द वर्क इज़ कंप्लीटेड, वो परफेक्ट कैटेगरी में आता है. वेयर द वर्क स्टार्टेड सम टाइम्स अगो एंड इट इज़ स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, दैट कम्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. और ये 4 पार्ट में वर्क हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. And time is only divided or universally divided or categorized in 3 parts, 3 categories only: present, past and future, right? So उस हिसाब से ये this table is really helpful. So I want you to make this table also. Table बना लें, that will be very useful. They note it down, you can take screenshot or whatever you want to do, you can do. So please do it. This table is really going to help you, my dear students, really going to help you. And so please make this table, my dear students. This table is really going to help you. One more table I am going to tell you, my dear students, right? So like you can write tense, same table you will make again. I am writing here again. सो सिंपल इंडेफिनेट, सिंपल भी बोलते हैं हम, और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस मीन्स प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, दैट इज़ सेम. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज, उसमें कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. कंटिन्यूस, परफेक्ट एंड परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. This is verb table, man, NUOUS, perfect continuous. So this is verb table. You will write the heading verb, any verb we will take, which we will use. And tenses तो 3 ही पार्ट में है, time तो 3 ही पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है, which is present tense or present time, you can say past and future, my dear students. So here I am talking about the verb form. So if you take the form of verb take, so with this subjects जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, टेक, वी एंड दे के साथ. यही हम आगे भी चलाएंगे, ठीक है, इस एमआर के साथ बता दूंगा मैं. टेक्स जो होता है, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड पर्सन के साथ होता है. ही, शी, इट और एनीबडीज नेम भी लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे, राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. कंटिन्यूस में टेकिंग हो जाएगा वो, अब एम के साथ एम टेकिंग, आई एम टेकिंग, आई एम, इज टेकिंग, आर टेकिंग, इस एम आर, आई टोल्ड यू प्रेजेंट टाइम को बता रहे हैं, और मेन वर्ब है टेक, उसके साथ एनजी लग गया, टेकिंग हो गया, तो ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस हो गया, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस हो गया माय डियर स्टूडेंट। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ हैज़ गॉन, थर्ड फॉर्म आ जाएगी परफेक्ट में, दैट वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड। अब हैज़ यू विल यूज विद ही, शी, it and name, and then have gone my dear students, have you will use with I, you, we, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, ये भी प्लूरल में है, we, they, इनके साथ आप have gone यूज़ करेंगे, and because has have tell us about that this is present time, and third form of the verb is telling us about the work which is in perfect category, so this tense is present perfect tense। ऐसे आप verb form है, ये verb table है, आप बना लेंगे इसको, बहुत अच्छे से बनाएंगे। मैं सेम होगा has been going, have been going, and has and have with which subject you will use, I have told you, मैंने आपको बता दिया कि किस किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ आप हैज़ और हैव यूज़ करेंगे, तो वो बहुत सिंपल है, उसके साथ आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ये माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ पास्ट टेंस आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगी, तो टेक की सेकेंड फॉर्म होती है टुक। अगर हम आई हैड टेकन प्ले हियर, तो प्लेड होती, कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए। आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट how to differentiate between the second and third form, which are some verb forms second and third form is similar, play, played, played, right? Enjoy, enjoyed. So different, how to differentiate, I have already told you। Now take, took, taken होता है, तो took in past indefinite tense with all subject, it is very easy to talk in past tense my dear students, because second form I took, he took, she took, they took, you took, we took, Raj took my pen yesterday, he took my pen yesterday, I took your pen yesterday, she took my pen yesterday। So took this is exception in tenses, where in indefinite second form of verb will come and with all the subjects। Did, I did not do this, he did not do this, she did not do this, but in present when we'll talk about negative sentences that I will tell you। अभी फ़िलहाल हम यही करते हैं। यहाँ पे हो जाएगा was, were, taking, was, were tell you about the past time, and this tell you about first form plus ing, continuous, so past continuous my dear students। now यहाँ पे had taken, यहाँ पे my dear students you will write taken। I have written gone but that was wrong, so by mistake यहाँ पे भी आएगा has been taking, and here also has been taking। had taken and had with all the subject, with all subjects, दोनों की whatever subjects, like we use second form with all the subjects in past indefinite tense, in past perfect tense we use had with all the subject। बहुत आसान है past tense में बात करना। मैं खाना खा चुका था, I had eaten food, वो खाना खा चुका था, he had eaten food, right my dear students? He had eaten, she had eaten, you had eaten, they had eaten, we had eaten, had with all the subjects। same here, had been taking। now future, if you talk about will go, shall go, my dear students, will be used with, in normal cases, you will go, he will go, second and third person your name, and shall with first person, I shall go, we shall go, shall we go, है ना, shall go। same will be, go नहीं है, will take, shall take, will be taking, shall be taking। and will have, shall have taken हो जाएगा my dear student. Third form will come, will have taken, shall have taken. Okay my dear student, will have been taking and shall have been taking हो जाएगा. I have told you where shall have been and will have, where do we use shall and where do we use will. There are in with the help in the uses of will and shall, somewhere they change. Shall be normal conditions or normal situation, normal sentences we use with I and we, first person singular, first person plural, whatever you can say. I shall go, shall we go, we shall go now, you will go, he shall go, Raj will go. But they change. That condition I will tell you that when they are changing, with in some of the condition we use will with I also, and shall with you and he, and second and third person with name also. So this is the verb table. Heading I forgot to tell you, but you write verb table, and any verb I would have taken any verb, but I have taken take, so you can take any verb. But please note down these two tables which I have told you. These two tables will really help you. Tomorrow we'll discuss more thing about the tenses, how to make sentences, formation of sentences with the help of tenses, like affirmative sentences, negative, interrogative, double interrogative, and interrogative negative. So in today's class, my dear students, I hope whatever I have told you आपको समझ में आया होगा. You must have paid attention and you must have understand the topic very well. So that is it in today's class. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourselves and your family members too. Bye bye. Thank you.